My teenage years have been quite a roller coaster. Since I was 13, I've learned a lot. I've grown a lot. I meet so many new friends. My voice got deeper.
If you love it, you can subscribe, like, comment, and
I really disliked my mom for a second. It's a classic teenager thing. When you realize all the way, I love you, mom. She's like, you have to start studying, to start focusing on your career. And I'm like, I want to create some content, mom. I want to start my own business. I started multiple businesses. I failed a lot. I learned a lot, but I never stopped. This year, I started my own clothing brand, and I really took one of the biggest risks of my life, and I don't regret it at all. I started my page where I used to take interviews of random strangers with my two friends Rajveer and Rishi. I did some things that you're not supposed to do.
Just go to church, be unique and fuck the phone. That's my main motive right now. So,
I've done so many stupid shit. I learned how to play skateboard.
Oh shit!
I did hours and hours of homework, and now I realize it was really pointless. Look, I have pimples. I have so much acne. It means I'm still a teen. Yeah, we had some good times, and we had some not so good times. But like all good things and roller coasters, they come to an end. It sounds so old. Starting from tomorrow, I have 1 week left till I turn 20. It is so old. Man. Anyways, here we go.
stay tuned, but thank you so much. Really grateful.
They know what they are doing. Oh bhai. वो दिख कैसे रहा है वो देख ना भाई.
I told you. इसमें ना ग्रीन पर चले. सुनो. बास्केटबॉल नहीं है. हाँ मैं मुंह मारता.
फ्लिप कट करेंगे यहाँ से.
Perfect target. This is your first promotion. We're gonna promote them. Content बिटने वाला YouTube से 10 रुपए का
है भाई ये 10 रुपए का.
Today is my birthday and all the videos you have watched before this are a little bit old. I just wanted a clickbaity title, so yeah. My idea was to live the last week like it's my last week on earth. And for some reasons, my birthdays are always a wake-up call. As each one approaches, it's a reminder that I'm going to die one day. So as soon as the week started, we planned a trip to Riverside, bought some eggs, chicken and bread. We got to the place. We enjoyed a lot and we cooked some food afterwards. It was really peaceful. And all the friends who were with me were on some room and we were craving for something like this from a long time.
Walk.
अरे कुत्रा है तो आई पण बोलतो.
अंशुल ऍक्टिंग भारी करतो.
After that, I started preparing for my 20th kilometer run. This year, I was like, I want to do one hard thing. And 20th kilometer is not a joke. Trust me on this. Before this, I have done 10 kilometer, which is my max. And directly going and doing a 20th kilometer run was really one of the craziest distance I have made till date. I'm not even consistent in running. My last session was 2 months back. We started the prep. We did a 3 kilometer, a 5 kilometer, and then a 10 kilometer. And then we were ready for a 21 kilometer run. But I would say, I thought I was ready. Two of my friends joined me for my run, Atharva and Chirag. Atharva is a professional athlete who helped me to push till the end. And Chirag also did a 10 kilometer run in the first attempt, which is really amazing.
My eyes on not holy. I done seen some things so mean. Been through hard times, then not for me. I could show you.
कितना किलोमीटर 19 बचा यस लेट्स गो कितना आ गया 17 18 लेट्स गो किती आहे सर्व
8.48 झालंय
12 kilometers more every step is painful कितना किलोमीटर 14 complete 6 kilometers more let's see what happens
Right outside, let my niggas in the rough. Throw it up, bust it up, break it up, stop it. When you feel like you winning, all you hear is pop. Following me out, told you meet me in the lobby, hold on. Get straight to it, heard your middle name was Sally. Oh boy. And I told him before that I'm on the floor with a pocket full of O's. Got it for the low, now a nigga skyscraping. Peeped on horizon with
Trust me, guys, I wouldn't have completed that run if Atharva wouldn't have pushed me till the end. Not a chance. Just a friendly reminder. If your friends are not pushing you to do better, they are not your friends. Really grateful. Big shout out to Atharva and Chirag. This was one of the most toughest thing I've done till date.
कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस
देखो मैं प्रैक्टिस में हूँ तो मेरे को कंटिन्यू कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बट जो अथर्व ने किया हैट्स ऑफ इसके लिए क्योंकि जो बंदा प्रैक्टिस में नहीं है कभी रनिंग नहीं करता उसके लिए 21 किलोमीटर मतलब एक माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ने में बहुत मुश्किल है बहुत मुश्किल
Atharva bhai, how was the experience, bro? It is not at all physical. हम बोलते वर्कआउट इज वेरी टफ. बहुत टफ होता है वर्कआउट. रनिंग करके दिखाओ. रनिंग इज पूरा माइंडसेट का खेल. पूरा माइंड गेम है पूरा. It is not physical at all. It pains. But you have to make sure you are manipulating your mind into thinking कि भाई you have to run, you have to complete your target. Hats off to Atharva bhai. मैंने इसको रैंडमली कॉल किया. I don't know him a lot. हम सिर्फ हाई बाय करते कॉलेज में. मैं रैंडमली कॉल किया Atharva. I got to know तो अच्छा रन करता है. Next 20 किलोमीटर. मेरा बर्थडे आ रहा है. मेरे को बर्थडे गिफ्ट. He was like, let's do it. भाई grateful भाई. Thing is कि when we are in the brotherhood, we are like कि भाई compare करना नहीं होता है. We should compare with our own self. We should not compare ourselves with someone else. But I do feel like when we compare ourselves with someone else, वो एक healthy competition होता है and we grow together. So it is very important. If you have some brothers, make sure you're competing with them and having a healthy competition rather than feeling jealous कि भाई ये तो अच्छा कर रहा है like you नहीं कर रहा. Try to look at him, take the motivation and try to improve your life by his life. Thank you so much भाई. Chirag तेरा experience कैसा था?
भाई अच्छा था मैं ज़्यादा भागा नहीं लेकिन आई डिड 150 पुशअप्स एंड ऑलमोस्ट 30 to 40 पुलअप्स किए.
Chirag का फर्स्ट टाइम Chirag को मैंने कॉल किया कि भाई मैं रन कर रहा हूँ. If you want to come. This guy came here 5 AM in the morning traveling 15 kilometers. It is not a joke. There should be dedication in people. इसमें एक रीज़न क्या होता है कि भाई मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तेरा गोल है क्यों मैं क्यों. But he came and he did something. Something is better than nothing every time. So hats off to Chirag as well.
We were also working on something from last 10 to 15 days and we launched it in this week. I can't tell you what it is, but if it works out, it could change the whole game. We also had one party to attend where our music crew was performing, which is called Maze Ali Money. They had their special performance in one of the pretty big sundowner of Pune, and it is a big deal for the whole crew. And it was a happy moment for me because when your brothers get the results after grinding a lot is a big deal, and it made me proud. Big shout out to Riya and Adesh. And guys, this was how my last week as a teenager went. Today I will celebrate my birthday with the fam. I know it was not that interesting, but it is what it is. For me, birthday is a great reminder to stop wasting my time and do something with my life. Instead of watching my videos all day, start focusing on yourself. I know, there are not a lot of videos on this page, but from next month, we are surely changing it. Life is so great, and if you're watching this, your life is also great. Be grateful for all the people, all the experiences you've got till now. If you like someone, just tell them. If you love your family, tell them that you love them. Tell your friends that you're really grateful for them, because you don't know when you are going to die, right? You just get one life, man. You might as well do something with it. I want the best for the world. I want the best for myself. I want the best for my family and friends. And I want that girl to text me. Is that too much to ask for? Come on. Shocking to think that I'm 20 right now. It just feels like yesterday I was in school playing with my friends or having fun at picnic, and now I'm 20. If you look at it, life really moves very fast. I'm questioning myself since yesterday that have I achieved enough? Am I on the right path? Am I making my younger self proud? I don't have any idea. Right now I just know one thing for sure, that I'm giving my 100%. I'm taking the risk. I'm enjoying each and every moment. I feel like it is what matters right now. I have to figure out how the rest of my life looks like. It means that this is going to be the chapter 1. Life is a precious thing and we should treat it that way. Cheers to the future days of smiles and laughter. Cheers to the beautiful people I'm lucky to surround myself with. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy birthday, Atharva. Be unique and fuck the FOMO. Peace.
Too excited.